So why is entire month of October dedicated to awareness of breast cancer? 5 important things that every lady should know. Every woman who's more than 40 years old should start with annual screenings. This is according to the latest guidelines. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sandhya. I'm a general and breast oncoplastic surgeon. So October is widely recognized as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This month we all come together to discuss about breast health, early detection and how to break the stigma surrounding breast cancer. So today I would like to share some important information that every lady and her family should know regarding breast health. So why is entire month of October dedicated to awareness of breast cancer? Because breast cancer is the most common cancer that affects women today. It is in fact so common that in India, the statistics say that 1 out of 22 women are at risk of developing breast cancer. And in Western world, 1 out of 8 women are at risk of developing breast cancer. So if we are self-aware, if we know how to detect breast cancer early, we can catch the disease at such a stage where complete cure is possible, where completely getting rid of the disease is possible. No more living with cancer, no more harsh treatments, no more harsh reality of facing cancer day in, day out. Just get your treatments done and you're completely cured and rid of the disease. So that's why we all come together to make sure that you are aware what are your options, how do you go about diagnosing the disease, how do you go about detecting the disease early. So coming to what are the important signs and symptoms of breast cancer. So 5 important things that every lady should know. First, a lump which is new and doesn't go away and is mostly painless. Second, any changes in the skin that you notice, like maybe your skin is showing some dimples on it, or maybe becoming little red, thickened, or maybe getting inverted. Any changes in the nipple, like your nipple inversion, the nipple which basically projects out is now projecting inwards, or any rash on your nipple area, or any ulcer with bleeding. Fifth, any size changes. If you feel that one breast is larger, one breast is smaller, so that can be a sign of breast cancer. And lastly, any discharge from nipple, which can be single duct, which can be bloody, or even otherwise. So these all can be signs and symptoms of breast cancer. A very important tool that is at disposal of every girl is self-breast examination. It hardly takes 5 minutes and I would recommend you perform it monthly and especially 4 to 5 days after your periods are over. So you just have to stand in front of the mirror and examine the shape and size of your breast and then start feeling with your hands all around in circular motions if you feel any lump. And don't worry, even if you find any suspicious findings, just connect with your breast surgeon so that can be resolved at the earliest. Another important information that I would like you girls to know is screenings and mammograms. So basically every woman who's more than 40 years old should start with annual screenings. This is according to the latest guidelines. And if it is not possible for you to screen annually, maybe once in 2 years you should start with screenings. Mammographies are generally very safe. The radiation that you get from mammography is very low. It's within the FDA approval levels. So you don't have to worry that mammograms are unnecessary source of radiation risk. And for high risk women, maybe you should start screening a little bit earlier. That discussion would happen with your breast surgeon and they will guide you accordingly. While we can't completely prevent breast cancer, we can definitely cut down our risk of getting breast cancer by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle would include avoiding a high-fat diet, cutting down on smoking and alcohol, maintaining a healthy weight, regular exercises. These small steps can make a big difference. Breast Cancer Awareness Month is a reminder that our health is in our hands. Awareness, early detection, and timely treatment saves lives. I encourage each one of you to talk about breast health with your friends and family. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to our channel for more health updates. And this is Dr. Sandhya wishing you health, happiness, and confidence.